Hi and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to edit username on X. Open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture at the top left, and then you want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, find section that says Your Account, and go to Account Information section. So here you want to tap your username, and this is the page where you can see your current username and the field where you can enter a new username. So let's tap here and confirm that you really want to change your username by tapping Continue button. And here you can enter your new updated username, and finally when you're done and everything looks right and correct, tap Done button at the top right to update your username. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.